Hello everyone, welcome to Joy's World. How are you all? So today we are going to do jollyphonics group 2. Group 1 I have already done and you can check in the description box its link. So we'll start with jollyphonics group 2. Are you ready? So we are clicking castanets. 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 Kites are flying in the sky. 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 Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the eggs like this. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. See my puppy rip the rug. See my puppy rip the rug when it trips so hard. The mom and the dad make lots of meals, many meals for the children. The mom and the dad makes lots of meals for their children. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with the See me play on my drums. So this was jollyphonics group 2. So check my more videos for the jollyphonics group 3. And bye for now and see you soon. Happy learning.